Eli Lilly and Company said on Thursday it had entered into an agreement with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation for potential supply of its experimental antibody treatments for COVID-19 to low and middle income countries. As part of the deal, Lilly said it will make antibody therapies available to lower income countries prior to April 2021, but did not elaborate on the number of doses. Separately, Fujifilm Holdings Corporation said its facility in Denmark would manufacture treatments next year. The World Bank yesterday projected a steeper contraction in India's economy by 9.6% this fiscal in light of COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdowns. The global agency noted that the country's economic situation is much worse than was ever seen before. The Washington-based global lender said that the downgrade in India's GDP is reflective of the nationwide lockdown and the income shock experienced by households and firms due to the coronavirus pandemic. Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the annual Invest India conference in Canada hard-sold his government's latest agriculture labour reforms and said India is one of the most attractive centres of investment as there are opportunities for everyone. The conference is organised with a special focus on further strengthening business ties between India and Canada. The Indian Medical Association has raised questions on Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan's move to promote yoga and Ayurvedic herbs for prevention of coronavirus infection and treatment of mild and asymptomatic cases. The apex medical body issued a press release asking to provide scientific evidence which advanced the protocols of the guidelines released by Vardhan. The Union Minister had released a protocol for the clinical management of COVID-19 that lists dietary measures, yoga and Ayurvedic herbs. New eye-popping federal budget figures released yesterday show an enormous $3.1 trillion deficit in the just completed fiscal year, a record swelled by coronavirus relief spending that pushed the tally of red ink to 3 times that of last year. The Congressional Budget Office released the unofficial 2020 figures on Thursday, saying the deficit equaled 15% of the US economy, a huge gap that was the largest since the government undertook massive borrowing to finance the final year of World War II.